السلام عليكم طالباتي العزيزات. اليوم إن شاء الله رح ناخد مراجعة للهيكل. حاولت أجمع لكم الأسئلة المتشابهة في سلايدات ورا بعض إن شاء الله، وخلينا نبدأ بعض في objective رقم 2. تمام، في objective رقم 2 رح يكون السؤال based on fundamental geometric concept. If a straight line passes through a collinear points A, B, and C, which of the following is correct? So if they are collinear, we can name the line by using two letters, and the letters that we choose should be mentioned in the sentence. So we cannot say that the line ABC because we cannot choose the 3 points. B is true because we can choose AB, they are mentioned here. Line AD is wrong and point is wrong. Okay, for question 55, which of the following statements is always regarding points, line, and the planes? بيحكي لك any 3 points determine a unique plane. Is it true? Any 3 non-collinear points determine a unique plane. Throw any 3 points there is exactly one line. 2 parallel lines intersect exactly 1 point. Any 2 non-collinear points determine a unique plane. The intersection of a 2 distinct planes is a single point. For me, the answer is B. Okay. In geometric, how many points are needed to determine a unique line? Is 1 point is used to determine a 1 line, or 2 distinct points, or 3 points 2 parallel lines خطأ. 4 points طبعا كل ما يكتر البوينتس بنبطل نعمل line. We want a unique line, so we need to be the two points. For question 57, which of the following represent a real world example of a plane? Is a pencil tip? No, a pencil tip, this is a point. Surface of disk? Yes, surface of disk. Any 2-dimension shape will be a plane, so B is true. A telephone wire, it is a line. Marble, the intersection of a 2 distinct planes is a single point. This is also wrong. The intersection of 2 planes is a line, not a plane. Okay, so now for question number 11, refer to the figure, name a point that contain a line in. So at the beginning, I want to mention that the name of the line will be in the corner of the line. So look here, this is line N. It is a small letter and in the corner. This is line P, also small letter in the corner. And there is another names for the line. We can say line N, or we can say line AB, or we can say line BA. Okay, so they want to ask us about any point on this line. You look for the choices A, plane ABC, line AB, or point E. So the point is A. A is the answer. Okay. 59. Refer to the figure. Name a line that contains the point E. Name a line that contains point E. We look where is point E here, and we look for this line in the corner here. What is the name of this line? It is Q. So the answer is B. Question 60. Refer to the figure. What is another name for the line P? As I mentioned now that a line, the name of the line can be in one letter in the corner or two letters, choosing any 2 points lies on the line. So here we can set CD or DC. Now look for the choices. C is CD. So the answer is C. For question 61, refer to the figure, name a point that contains in a line N. Now look again for line N. Give me a point that contains this line. It is A. If they mention in the choices B, I can choose B, but they mention only A, okay? Here, refer to the figure. Are the points A, B, C are coplanar? The meaning of coplanar that they have the same plane. Look at the green plane. It contains A, B, and C. So yes, we can say they are coplanar. So yes, true. For question 63, refer to the figure. How many planes are shown in the contains F and E? You go to the figure, you put a circle on F and E. They said how many planes contains these 2 points. So this, the top, and also this side. So they are 2. B is the answer. For question 64, refer to the figure, name a 4 points that are coplanar. Because they want 4 points, you cannot choose A, B, and C because they are only 3. So you can choose one of the behind faces of this 3-dimensional shape. So look at the choices. Is it A, B, C, D? No, wrong. Because when you choose any 4 points, they need to be consecutive, يعني near each other. I can say A, B, E, F. No. Wait. A, B, E, F. Yes, true. Again, A, B, E, F. Yes, this side, because it is here. If you check C and D, also they will be a wrong answer. Now go to question 65. Refer to the figure. How many planes are shown? You want to account the face, the planes. So this is 1, the green. The behind sides are 1, 2, 3, and the top is 4, and the base is 5. So we have a 5 planes. Don't account A, B, C 2 times, or this plane, the green and the blue. You account them as a 1 plane because they close to each other. Now, refer to the figure. Are the points F, M, G, P are coplanar? Go to the figure and put a circle on them. Where is F, M, G, P? Are they coplanar? As I mentioned before, coplanar means they have login on the same plane. Yani all of them should be on plane R or on a plane Q. I need to mention this information again, that the name of the plane, it is a capital letter in the corner. Name of the line is small letter in the corner of the line, but name of the plane in the corner of the plane in the corner, okay? So this is no. Question 67, refer to the figure, name and intersection lines of M and T. Where is M? This is the line M, and this is the line T. The intersection point is C. So C. Question 68, refer to the figure, name a points that are coplanar with A, B, and C. Look at the figure. I want A, B, و C. So you need to choose any points that lies on the same plane. Look, where is M? M is outside, no. Where is F? Yes, F is on the plane, so B is the answer. If you look for H, H is outside, also P is outside. Question 69, refer to the figure. Are the points D, M, C, and H are collinear? Look, D, M, C, H. Yes, they are collinear because they lie on the same line. كلهم على نفس اللاين. Now, look for this question. Name a 3 points are only in the plane B. Look at plane B. We need to choose a point that lie on this plane. So look at the choices. They said C, L, G. Is C, L, G here? No, C is outside. No. F, M, P. F, M, P is outside. No. Q, P, P is outside. So D, look, F, M, and J. Yes, true. So D is the answer. For question 71, name a plane that contains the lines W and X. Look at the corner of the line. This is X, okay? And this is W. What they want, which plane they are. So look at the corner to the big letter. It is A. So the plane A. 72. Are the points C, D, L, and P are coplanar? Look at C, D, L. Oh, P is outside, so no, they are not coplanar. Look at question 73. Name a intersection of line X and Z. Y and Z, sorry. Y and Z, they intersected in point H. So we finish the first objective. I will stop the record